This magnetic screen door in the 72 by 96 inches size range is cut generously to overlap the frame, so it seals well without leaving gaps around the edges. The mesh fabric feels noticeably thicker and more tightly woven than many budget screens, with reinforced edging on all four sides that helps it hold up to constant opening and closing. A double-stitched panel at the top center, backed by a small fabric tab, does a good job preventing the common problem of the screen tearing where it carries the most weight. The long strip of hook and loop tape and included push pins make installation straightforward and secure, and the screen can still be removed without damaging the doorway. Magnets running down the opening line up accurately and snap shut on their own after you walk through, so hands-free use works well for kids and for carrying groceries. The mesh allows plenty of air to move through while keeping insects out, and its sturdy construction stands up well to frequent use by both people and pets.